If you're spending hours manually searching for leads on LinkedIn, Google, or random databases, only to end up with low-quality contacts, you're wasting time and losing deals. Hi, I'm Jason. In this Instantly AI lead database tutorial, I'll be showing you how to find verified B2B leads in minutes using AI filters, buying signals, and enrichment tools so you can build highly targeted outreach lists fast. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find better leads, export them, and use them in cold email campaigns. I've included a link below that you can use to sign up and test out Instantly AI for completely free. Now, let's dive in. Once you're signed up to Instantly AI, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Next thing you want to do is go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Super Search. This gives you access to millions of verified B2B contacts, and you can see different search filters. You can search by industry, company size, revenue, location, job title, technology use, hiring intent, and also growth signals. This is where you move from random prospecting to laser-targeted lead generation. Now, for example, here's a quick search that I did. In this search, I was looking for med spas located in Miami. And you can see right here, all I did was I searched by job title, owner, or marketing manager. Then scrolling down, I searched by location, United States. Then I put in Miami Beach, Florida, and the different Miami locations. Then scrolling down, you select by industry, so you'll simply tap right here where you see industry, and the industry that I selected was healthcare and pharmaceuticals, as you can see right there. Then I zone down by employees, between 1 to 50 employees, as you can see there, and you can also filter it by revenue, so I could tap right here and I search by revenue, 1 million plus. Then scrolling down, you have different options. You could also search by domain, and if you're on the paid plan, you'll also be able to search by job listing, and this is where you'll be able to search by technologies used. You can tap right here where you see technologies, and you'll be able to search by technologies used. And also scrolling down, you can see funding type you could search by. You can also search by company name, and some of the time I like to toggle on one lead per company. So instead of having multiple leads from one company, some of the time I want to toggle this on to only get one lead. So you can see from millions of B2B verified emails, I filtered it down to 4,369 verified emails, as you can see right there. So this is how you want to zone it down, as the main thing is you don't want a lot of unnecessary leads. You want to be laser targeted with the type of leads that you're getting. Then what I would recommend you do, you can then comb through the list to see which one of these would match your target audience. Next thing you'll be doing is verifying emails and enrich contacts. Now this is one of the most powerful features when it comes onto Instantly AI. All you need to do is simply tap right here where you see find emails. After you have tapped on find emails, you can toggle on work emails. You can also toggle on fully enriched profiles. Then once you have done that, you're going to tap here where you see continue. Once you have selected continue, you can select how much from the list you would like to enrich. For example, if you'd like to enrich the entire list, which would be 4,369, it would cost 8,738 coins. Or if you'd like to enrich, let's say for example 50, you can select right there 50. You can choose to select 100. It all depends, as you can see right there. Now let's say I were to select 50. After selecting 50, you'll just give it a few seconds and it is going to find their verified inboxes, names, roles, and company data, and also LinkedIn URLs, and also the tech stack insights. This massively improves deliverability. Now, this step alone can save hours of manual prospecting, which is why I highly recommend testing the Instantly AI free link below. Once it is enriched, all you'll need to do now is export your lead into campaigns. So just give it a few seconds, and once it is enriched, I'll be showing you what to do next. And you can see right there, we now have their first name, last name, title, company, location, LinkedIn information, and also verified work emails, as you can see right there, and validated work email, so you can see it right there. So you can choose to either select a few of them, or we can select the entire list by tapping on the box right here. After you have tapped on the box, what you're going to do next is you're going to tap right where you see move. After selecting move, you're going to tap on move to campaign. Once you have selected move to campaign, you're going to tap where you see select target campaign. And you can select my campaign. If you haven't created a campaign as yet, what you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option and you're just going to tap on campaigns. Then you're going to tap on add new and you can give the campaign a name. So I'm just going to call this campaign Miami Spa. Then we're going to tap on continue. Now that I've done that, I can tap on add leads. Once I've selected add leads, I'm going to tap on from super search. And we're just going to tap on lead list. And it will carry us back to our list. Then we'll tap right here to select all. After selecting all, we are going to tap on move, select move to campaign, select the campaign that we have created. Then we're going to tap on confirm. And just like that, they're adding all of our leads to the campaign that we have created. Once that has been done, I'll be showing you what to do next. And by the way, you could also export the list if you want. By tapping on actions, you could choose to export. So you can tap right here if it is a case that you use a different email marketing platform. Now we're going to tap on go to campaign. After you have selected go to campaign, you can tap on leads. You can see your leads have been added right there. Then you're going to tap right where you see sequences. After selecting sequences, this is where you'll be able to add your emails. You can tap on subject, type in the subject, then you can tap right here and you can start typing in your email. By the way, by scrolling down, you can see templates that you can use. So we could tap on templates and you can see different templates option if you would like help. So you can use any one of these templates. Let's say, for example, say just randomly I'll be using this template. And by the way, if it is a case that you would like to add in personalization, as you can see right there, you can do that by simply going down. You can select insert variables. From there, you can add in first name, last name, company name, personalization, phone number, and so on, as you can see right there. And by the way, if we were to go across, you can use also the AI to generate an email for you by tapping on that icon. And to add a follow-up, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on add step. Then you can choose when you would like to send your follow-up, whether you would like to send it a day after, 2 days after, or so on. Then you can add in your follow-up email. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on schedule from the top. After selecting schedule, from here you can choose when you would like it to start. And you can also choose the days of the week that you like it to be sent and the hours that you like it to be sent in between. Once everything is to your liking, you can also tap on options and you can choose the account that you would like to use to send it. You can scroll down and you can choose to track open rates and so on, as you can see right there. Then you're just going to tap on launch and that's it. That's how you'll be able to use the Instantly AI database and also how you'll be able to set up and use the Instantly AI email campaign. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.